Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video, and welcome back to my channel if you're new here. Today we are going to do another quick job on the Mini, and we are going to fit this. This is a new PCV valve. We've noticed that sometimes there's a bit of white smoke coming out the back of the exhaust. It's running a little bit rough, and it's using a little bit of oil, so hopefully it's something quite simple like this. The PCV valve gets a little tear in it, and then the oil passes through, goes out the exhaust, creates the smoke. This I bought off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below, because you can't buy this directly from Mini or BMW. You have to buy the whole rocker cover, which is about 150 quid. And why do that when you can buy this from China for under £11? Yeah, £11 I pay for this. So this is what we're going to go and fit. So come on, let's go and see what we can do. Right, so as I said, the PCV valve is located under here. Okay, here's the inlet pipe for the PCVs, the breather system. So you need to take this off. The BMW want you to buy a whole new one of these, whole new rocker cover. Absolutely disgraceful. Right, so just undo these two bolts here for the cover for the core packs, and these are T30. So once you remove the cover, then you just have to lift this one up like that. The other one, chuck it in the bin. And here is the PCV valve. So just remove this carefully. So just lift this off out of here, and this, just check it, see if there's any holes in it. This one seems to be alright, but you never know, there might be a small hole. And also it's very gunky, so we're going to replace that. Also replace the spring, and I'm just going to give this a bit of a clean before I put it back together. Right, so once you've given it a clean, put the spring in, take your new PCV valve and just literally there you go, that's all installed. Put the cover back on, 2 bolts, don't forget your oil cap. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you found it useful. Think about subscribing. I'll see you on the next one.